Welcome back to the AI Agents playlist. In our last video, we covered what an AI agent actually is and how it differs from chatbots and RAG system. Now, in this video, we are going to answer the question that every business owner, manager and professional is asking. Why does this actually matters? What is the real business case for AI agent? Let's dive in. Let's start with a problem that exists in almost every business in every industry all around the world. Talented, skilled people, your best employees, are spending a huge chunk of their working day on repetitive, low value tasks. Things that don't actually need their expertise, things that could be automated. The result is burnout, slower growth, and missed opportunity. And the numbers behind this problem are shocking. Here is the statistic that really puts things in perspective. Salesforce conducted research and found that salespersons spend a staggering 71% of their time on non-selling tasks. Think about that for a second. The people you hired specifically to sell, to bring in revenue, to build relationships, to close deals, are spending nearly 3/4 of their working day on administrative tasks, manually entering data, scheduling meetings, writing follow-up emails. Only 29% of their time is actually spent doing what they were hired to do. That is an enormous waste of human talent and company resources. And before you think this is just a sales problem, it is not. This pattern repeats across every single industry. In healthcare, doctors spend more time on paperwork than on patients. In finance, skilled analysts spend hours doing manual reporting that should take minutes. In retail, customer service teams answer the same questions hundreds of times a day. In tech, developers spend time on manual testing instead of building. In marketing, teams manually pull data that should be automated. In every domain, every industry, the same problem. People doing work that machines should be doing. Let's put a dollar figure on this. If a salesperson earns $60,000 a day, they are spending 71% of their time on non-selling tasks. That is over $4,200 a year being spent on work that does not directly drive revenue. Now multiply that across a sales team of 10, 20, 50 people. The numbers become staggering very quickly. And this is not just about sales. Calculate it every department in your business that's doing repetitive automatable work. The total cost of this inefficiency is massive. This is exactly where AI agents become a game changer. What if that 71% of non-selling time could be handled automatically by an AI agent? The AI agent handles the data entry, the agent responds to routine customer queries, the agent schedules meeting, generates report, processes document, and your human team, your actual talented people, are freed up to do what only humans can do. Building real relationships, making strategic decisions, solving complex problems, closing deals. That is the business case for AI agents in one simple idea: give humans back their time. Now let's look at what the business world has already decided about AI agents. Capgemini conducted global research and results are clear. 10% of organizations are already using AI agents right now. More than half plan to start using them in 2026, and a massive 82% of organizations plan to integrate AI agents into their operation within the next 3 years. Let's that sink in. Within 3 years, 8 out of 10 companies will be using AI agents. This is not a passing trend. This is a fundamental shift in how business operates. Here is the thing about major technological shifts. They always create a gap between those who adapt early and those who wait. Companies using AI agents right now are already gaining competitive advantages. They are cutting operational costs. Their teams are more efficient. They are making faster decisions. They are delivering better customer experience. Meanwhile, companies that wait are going to face higher implementation cost, steeper learning curves, and the very real risk of falling behind competitors who moved faster. The gap between adapters and non-adapters grow every single day. Let's move from theory to reality. Here are actual results from real companies that have already implemented AI agents. Wiley, the educational publishing company, used an AI agent for customer service and saw a 40% plus increment in case resolution, a 230% return on investment, and $230,000 in savings. Oracle Health deployed a clinical AI agent and saw a 41% reduction in documentation time, saving healthcare providers around 66 minutes every single day. That is over an hour given back to doctors to spend with patients instead of paperwork. And Magid, a media intelligence company, achieved 100% visibility over their AI driven outputs, enabling them to scale news delivery with accuracy and speed. These are not promises, these are results. So, which areas of business see the biggest impact from AI agents? 5 domains stand out. Customer support. Agents provide instant, accurate response around the clock, no wait times, no lunch breaks. Research and data analytics. Agents process massive data set and surface insights that would take human teams days or weeks to find. In financial trading, agents make real-time decisions based on rapidly changing market conditions at a speed no human can match. Education, agents adapt to each student's learning pace, providing personalized feedback at scale. And software development, agents handle repetitive coding, testing, debugging tasks so developers can focus on building great products. These are the areas where the business case for AI agents is strongest right now. But here is what I want to understand. This is bigger than just saving time or cutting costs. AI agents fundamentally change what is possible for a business. A small team with the right AI agents can do the work that used to require a much larger team. Businesses can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without the cost of 24/7 staffing. You can scale your operations without proportionally scaling your cost. AI agents deliver a level of consistency that humans simply can't maintain. No bad days, no mistakes from fatigue, no forgetting steps in the process, and they operate at a speed that no human team can match. This is not just an efficiency upgrade, it is an entirely new operating model for business. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, will AI agent replace jobs? It is a fair and important question. The honest answer is this: AI agents are not replacing human judgment. They are not replacing creativity. They are not replacing emotional intelligence or complex decision making. What they are replacing is the repetitive, low value, automatable work that was never the best use of human talent in the first place. In fact, as AI agents become more common, new roles are being created around managing, monitoring, and improving these systems. The real goal, and the most successful companies understand this, is a human and AI agents working together, each doing what they do best. Let's recap everything we covered today. Salesforce research revealed that salespersons spend 71% of their time on non-selling tasks, and this problem exists across every industry. AI agents can take over that repetitive work and free your human team for higher value activities. Capgemini's research shows that 82% of companies plan to adapt AI agents within 3 years. This shift is actually happening. Real companies like Wiley, Oracle Health, Magid are already seeing measurable ROI. And most importantly, this is not just a new tool, it is a new way of operating a business entirely. Okay, in our next video, we are going to start exploring the different types of AI agents, because not all AI agents are the same, and choosing the right type of your use case makes all the difference. We will cover fixed automation agents and LLM enhanced agents in detail with clear examples. Make sure you are subscribed and following this playlist. See you in the next one. Thank you.